Hi, good morning everybody. How is everybody today? We are just waiting कि vaccination के dose ख़त्म हो and things get back to normal. People start having a normal life, all of us. Okay, now today let us make soup today. I have got drumsticks yesterday from the market. Nice and fresh drumsticks. Drumsticks is also called moringa. Moringa plant is a very healthy plant, and each and every part of this plant is extremely healthy for the body and useful for us. Today I am going to make soup out of these drumsticks. Simple soup which is very good for health. So these are the ingredients that I require. I have taken 2 drumsticks. I have removed the skin and cut them into small pieces like this. I have removed this skin. I have taken 2 onions, chopped them. Then I have taken 7 to 8 pieces of garlic and 2 tomatoes. So let us begin with the procedure. Put all the vegetable, tomatoes, onion, garlic and the drumstick pieces, everything put in a cooker. Add 2 glasses of water and put it for steam. Give at least 4 to 6 whistles. 2 glasses of water and then put it on gas. After 6 to 7 whistles, this is how it has become. All has become very soft. So now I will strain it in the strainer. Strain the vegetables nicely. See, they have mashed so well, especially the pulp of the moringa stem. That should go into the soup, because that is the main thing, that is what is healthy. See, only the fiber is left, rest has all gone in properly. Now crush 2 to 3 peppercorns of black pepper and some salt and boil this for 5 minutes. You can add a spoon of butter if you want. If you want to thicken it, you can add corn flour in water, but I leave it as it is. See, there is nothing left, it has all gone into the soup. This I am going to throw away. You can add little water so that little bit anything is left behind, so that will also come. वैसे पूरा हो गया है अच्छी से. See, it's nicely done. Now add little black pepper, crush a few peppercorns manually and little salt. Little butter if you want, you can add. And then sprinkle little coriander leaves finely chopped and serve the soup hot. See, nicely all the pulp has gone into the soup. I am going to throw this away now. This is waste. This is of no use. See, this is the soup which is ready. Best is to have it natural. Don't put any corn flour or anything. Now add crushed pepper powder and a little bit of salt. Boil it for 3 to 4 minutes, and you can add a teaspoon of butter if you want. Crush the pepper, black pepper. Crush the seeds roughly. They should be coarse, not very fine, and add that to the soup. I have added coriander leaves and I am adding this much of butter. It's up to you. If you don't want, it is optional. Don't add any butter. As it is going to taste very, very delicious. Freshly ground black pepper and serve this soup. It is a very delicious healthy soup, very good for health. If there are people who need immunity booster, or they have any other issues, they are not well, or they have some throat infection, drink garam garam. This is the best recipe for immunity boosting. Thank you for watching my video. Do make this soup and tell me how you found it. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Enjoy this soup. Keep fit, keep healthy, and stay safe. Wear your mask and take your vaccination when your time comes. Thank you so much. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Do subscribe to my channel. This is drumstick soup, moringa soup.